The mother who admitted to killing her 3 children was back in a Massachusetts courtroom today for day 7 of her trial. Her mental well-being is at the center of it. Clancy's attorneys argue she can't be held criminally responsible because she was experiencing extreme postpartum psychosis. Let's go live now to our correspondent Shanelle Kaul. Shanelle, I know you've been following this story from the very start in the trial as well. Can you tell us more about what happened in court today?
Yeah, so Mugo, on day 7 of this murder trial in Plymouth, Massachusetts, prosecutors called someone named Itan Nigri to the witness stand. This is someone who worked as a physician's assistant at the Brigham and Women's Hospital back in 2023. And they were working the night when Lindsay Clancy killed her 3 young children and tried to harm herself and was sent to that hospital. Here's how this physician's assistant today on the stand describes some of the injuries.
What repair work were you assigned to do?
Laceration repair.
And on this particular patient, where were the injuries or lacerations that you were going to repair?
She had multiple lacerations on both of her wrists, and she had superficial on her neck, which I did not repair.
Did you observe any areas of active bleeding?
No.
So once again here, Mugo, you have prosecutors who are attempting to prove to the jury that Lindsay Clancy sustained some superficial wounds that night, that her wounds were not severe, and importantly, they're trying to prove that she did this purposefully with a sound mind. After that clip that we just played happened in court, we then saw some cross-examination. So Lindsay Clancy's attorney, Kevin Reddington, then cross-examined that witness and was able to get that witness to say that Clancy was critically ill when he treated her that night in January of 2023, and also some precision about just how large those wounds were when we're talking about the cuts to her neck and to her wrist. On the stand, that physician's assistant said that they were 3.5 centimeters deep. So it will be up to prosecutors, or the jury that is, to decide whether or not this was a person who was of sound mind when they killed their 3 young children and then tried to harm themselves. Court has stopped for the rest of the day. There will be no more testimony. It was a bit of a short day for jurors today. Everything will resume tomorrow. There is a full schedule of witnesses that take the stand tomorrow and Friday. Back to you.
Okay, Shanelle Kaul, thank you so much.